Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Chief Cashapp Princeayoko, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my peaceful and lovely greetings to you all wherever you are. How are you doing and how is our families at your side doing? Alright, so family, I'm here today once again to share with you some more updates about Queen's Guest Palace. That is, Queen's Guest House, the most beautiful guest house in the northern part of Ghana, Tamale to be precise. Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna share with you, some important information about, painting. I'm gonna share with you some important information about painting. And this, my brothers who is from Togo, they are doing a very, very wonderful job, and I really like what they are doing. So please, before I continue with this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new, and then click on the notifications bell so that you always get notifications when I post new videos. Share my contents with your families and friends, and then give my videos a thumbs up. Keep watching. So my men are here busily working, just making sure that everything is in order. So this is not the painting that, or maybe this, let me say, this is not the colors that I'm gonna choose for the guest rooms, but this particular process is called Andrew. That's how they call it, Andrew. So the Andrew that they are doing is to polish up the walls before the painting, but I really like how they are doing it. So this is the porch to one of the guest rooms. As you can see, this is the porch. As a matter of fact, they have to finish before we do the cleaning, because they really make the wall tiles dirty. So when they finish, we have to clean it. So you can see what Brother Salihu is doing. Salihu is very busy working on polishing up the walls. So, Salihu, how long have you been doing this job?
1 year.
You've been learning it for 1 year?
Yes.
Oh, wow. You really trying. Yeah. You are doing a very good job.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. So I'm just going to take you through for you to see exactly what these young talented men are doing. So this is another porch to the guest rooms, and as you can see, this is how everything is coming up. So the work is really coming up very well, and I like the designs that I chose. That is the wall tiles that I chose for the porches, as well as the compound. It matches with the tiles. with the color so far, with the color to the walls from the guest rooms. Elisha, what happened? You guys are here killing the job. All right, so that is what we're doing so far. So far, so good. Everything is coming along pretty well and nicely. So these brothers are here very, very, very busily working on the clock to make sure that, everything comes to reality. Elisha is also here busily working. Elisha, what happened?
I don't know.
So these guys, like I already tell you, like they are very, 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 good at their work. I really like what they are doing. I think this team is perfect. Yeah, they are really doing a very wonderful job here. Because so far they've not finished, but I can, really like what they are doing. So I'm just gonna take you through for you to see exactly what these young men are doing here. They are doing a very, very, very wonderful job. Are doing a very great job. So far, I can still say so good. Everything is coming along very nice. We're just waiting for them to finish so that, we'll help them to clean the floor tiles. But so far, I can say so good. So this is exactly what is going on here at Queen's Guest House. That is the most beautiful guest house that we're building in northern Ghana. Very soon it's gonna complete, and you know what? Everyone is welcome. Yeah, it's all about business. It's all about business. Yeah, it's all about business. So Queen's Guest House will be open soon. So whoever is ready should get ready to come and have the best experience. And the rooms is big. These are not some tiny rooms. These are big rooms. Yeah, our rooms here are not tiny rooms. They are big rooms. Yeah. So far, like I already said, so good. These guys are really killing the job. They are doing a very professional job here. So assuming these guest rooms, just look at these guest rooms. It's not, the painting is not yet done. This is just the first coats, but you can already see how it is. Like, it's very, very, very beautiful. So when this guest palace is finished, whoo, it's gonna be so much. It's gonna be too much. Very beautiful. Yeah, so this is one good thing about professionalism. Like when people are doing professional work, everything that they do is coming along very nicely. And one good thing that I have to also share with you is that when you are into building, don't always rush to complete it. Don't always rush to complete it. And don't put too much burdens on yourself, else it's gonna make you do some things that you don't want to do. So that is one secret about building. When you build your house, just take your time, give yourself some time to really take good plans before you come out, with whatever you want to do. So far, thank God, everything is going along. It's coming along very well, and I'm so happy, very, very, very happy about the progress so far. I'm 100% happy, and I thank these guys for the wonderful job that they are doing. I really appreciate them so much. So you see how the walls, the color of the walls matches with the ceiling. Yeah, so far, I think everything is on point, and I think that we are really doing a good job, especially these guys who are doing the work. They are really doing a very, very wonderful job. So I'm just gonna take you through for you to see exactly what it is before you all wait for the final results. So the final results is coming. It's not gonna keep long. So far I can say so good. No problems, no complaints. Everything is coming along 100% on point, and I'm really liking whatever they are doing here. So far I can say so good. I'm just happy, very, very, very happy. So that is what is going on here. This particular room, guest room, is not finished yet. They've just applied the first coat, and they will be back for the second coat. So that is what it is, and we are waiting for them to finish this before we install the doors. We are waiting for them to finish before we install the doors and do the cleanings. So we are just patiently waiting. We are taking things step by step. We don't rush to finish. So that is what is happening. Efo, what happened? You dey enjoy music? right, family. So this is the updates about Queen's Guest Palace that I have to share with you. Work is still going. We are still busily here. Just doing whatever we can to finish up the project for business to start. So hopefully it will not take a long time before we start business. To those of you who are planning to visit Queen's Guest Palace, you are all welcome. And to those who want to have the best experience in Ghana and whatever, you are all welcome. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your time. Thank you all for your wonderful support. And thank you all for the motivations and inspirational messages that you've been sending me. I really appreciate you so much. And you know what? I love you so much. Together we can. All for one, one for all. United we stand, divided we fall. So we have to always, be encouraging each other and motivating each other, such that, we can all achieve whatever we want in this world. I wish you all the best, and I wish you a very wonderful and happy, week. And I wish you all whatever you wish for yourself. Till we meet again, it's your brother Chief Ayoko, also known as Prince Ayoko, sending my warmly and peaceful greetings to you once again from Queen's Guest Palace, that is located in the northern part of Ghana, Tamale to be precise. Have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, stay focused, never lose hope, never give up, and never quit. Continue to push and move forward. Everything is gonna be all right. I love you all. Peace and blessings.
What is going for your come in watch him pass inside.